Many people will serve sheet cakes at weddings, graduations, picnics, and corporate events. The great thing about sheet cakes is that they are easy to serve and they are able to serve a lot of people. How big is a sheet cake? Sheet cakes are one of the largest cakes you can get. They consist of a single cake layer that is 2 inches tall and generally decorated with buttercream frosting. Sheet cakes come in all sorts of different flavors including chocolate, vanilla, marble, yellow, and red velvet. How big is a half-sheet cake? A half-sheet cake measures 13 by 18 inches and generally serves between 24 and 54 slices. Half-sheet cakes can be a great option for office parties, potlucks, engagement parties, and baby showers. How big is a quarter-sheet cake? A quarter-sheet cake measures 9 by 13 inches and generally serves between 12 to 24 slices. Quarter-sheet cakes are great for serving at birthday parties and holidays. What is a sheet cake serving size? Depending on how many people are attending your event, you can cut your sheet cake to have between 48 to 117 servings. The most common slice sizes for a sheet cake are 2 by 2 inches, 2 by 3 inches, and 3 by 3 inches. For 2 by 2 inch cake slices, you can get 117 servings from a sheet cake if you cut the slices into 2 by 2 inches sizes. For a half-sheet cake, 2 by 2 inch slices will give you 54 servings, and with a quarter-sheet cake, 2 by 2 inch slices will give you 24 servings. For 2 by 3 inch cake slices, if you slice a sheet cake into 2 by 3 inch slices, you will get 64 slices, which is still quite a lot. For a half-sheet cake, 2 by 3 inch lives will give you 36 servings, and with a quarter-sheet cake, 2 by 3 inch slices will give you 18 servings. For 3 by 3 inch cake slices, if you want to be more generous with the sizes of your cake slices, you can cut them to 3 by 3 inches. On a sheet cake, slices that are 3 by 3 inches will give you 48 servings. For a half-sheet cake, 3 by 3 inch slices will give you 24 servings, and for a quarter-sheet cake, 3 by 3 inch slices will give you 12 servings. How do you store a sheet cake? Most sheet cakes are sold in a plastic or cardboard box. As long as your sheet cake doesn't have any perishable toppings or fillings, you can store it at room temperature on your kitchen counter. You can also store sheet cakes in the fridge for up to 1 week. Can you freeze a sheet cake? You can freeze a sheet cake, frosted or unfrosted, for 3 to 6 months. However, due to its large size, it may be tricky to freeze in a standard freezer. Serving a full sheet cake. Full sheet cakes are great for serving at large events such as weddings, graduations, picnics, and corporate events. Thanks to their large size, they can serve a lot of people, and they are also easy to cut as well, making serving easy. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.